Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DKNG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways just to establish some context here. But very nice move on this one. I mean, you stop and think about the fact of where it closed on Friday, and now all of a sudden, where the price has worked its way up to. Sure, it's pulled back from its highs, but still, relatively speaking, from where it was on Friday to where it is, nice move, but that does lead to the more than valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make mapping out these questions very straightforward. And the first area that is going to help out here, and this just comes from a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support, especially in this situation. Why so? Well, let's just make that the nice round number of $50 there. But why is 50 so important? Well, let's say this were to occur, and I'm not saying it will, but for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down here, behave in that manner, and then continue on down, what would you have at that point? Well, you would quite literally have the price right back inside of this area that it just broke out of. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. On the flip side of things, though, if the price were to come down here, behave in that manner, then start to work its way to the upside, now all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined at the $50 rate. Now, on the flip side of things, if this thing is going to continue on up, the big battleground that needs to be broken up through is that purple line there, the 50 period simple moving average. Pretty crazy how it's almost like this line here is pushing the price down. Price got up around it right there, rejected, right there, rejected. So keep a close eye on that going forward. But all in all, got to give credit where credit's due. Nice bounce today, nice movement. So let's see if the price can build upon this momentum as the week plays out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.